Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and welcome to the Custom Mustang 32 Car Challenge. This is put on by the Facebook group. It's an offshoot of my page, Custom Diecast Renegades and Hoodlums. The whole point of this was to get 32 entries to compete against each other because challenges bring out the best in everybody. And there are people of all skill sets. Some you know, some you don't. Some are from YouTube, some are just on the group and just have an Instagram or a Facebook page, or do it for fun. But this brings out the best in everybody and helps increases everybody's skill set. The winners of this challenge will get a beautifully mint or near mint K7 donated by Mr. K7 himself, William Robinson. All the vehicle entries. This is like a pink slip challenge, and I'm tossing in my Mustang that I built to help introduce this challenge about a month ago or so, if you guys watch the channel at all. So the bracket is set up the best way I could. With 32 cars, I broke it up. On the left side is odds, on the right side is evens, and as the cars came in, I numbered them sequentially. First car in, number 1. Last car in, number 32. This benefits those who entered early, because not all cars were received. People had to drop out for one reason or another, and those first few entries will get a pass. So as you can see, all the cars are there. There are 3 on one side, 4 on the other that did not make it in on time. And in this video, we're tackling the odds, or the left side of the bracket for round 1. Number 1, 1965 Mustang Coupe, two-tone paint, black chrome and Windex blue, with a little color shift mixed in. It's got a black chrome base with silver details, painted rims on real riders, and this was opened with a soldering iron to not damage the original rivets, and it was resealed the same way. Number 3, 2010 Shelby, post-apocalyptic style. It's got beefy tires in the rear, armor. It's got a chain-down machine gun on the front. It's got a backhoe attachment to push people out of the way. It is jet-powered, and it is heavily weathered. Number 5 is a Boss 302, 1969. It is a hearse. It's a classic Mustang wheels. It's got a casket in the back. It is jet black, and it is detailed to the max. Number 7 is a 1969 Boss 302 with a mustard yellow color and flat black accents. It's sitting on Real Rider 12-spoke rims. It's got the 50th anniversary decals along with some racing decals, and all the fine details are done. This is the edition that kind of gives off a racing vibe. Number 25, 1965 Mustang hearse. This started life off as a convertible, and extensive work was done to the roof to make it into a hearse. Details front, rear, insides. Number 9, 65 Mustang Fastback, off-white with black scoop and louvers. It's got slotted polished rims on Real Riders, bigs and littles, and it's got a skull flame decal on each side and a Fear This decal on the back deck lid. and the base and the trim is all detailed out. Number 23, 2007 Mustang with a full diorama. Unfortunately, this was damaged in transit. I tried to put it back together the best I could. Features a blue Mustang hitting a light pole with the hood bent, the front fascia on the ground, and everything all bent and twisted, including the driver's side wheel. This was actually very well done. I wish it wasn't completely damaged when it shipped. Number 11, 1967 Mustang GT, two-tone, battleship gray and a red top. Painted details front and rear. It's sitting on Hot Wheels simulated steel wheels with the red trim rings to match the color of the top. Number 21, 1967 Mustang Coupe GT, unicorn inspired jet black sitting on large white rims, detailed trim and undercarriage, unicorn monster decals throughout. Number 13, 2010 Shelby jet black with hand fabricated ground effect kit, hand fabricated exhaust tips, sitting on rail riders. Details front and rear are all done. Number 19, 1967 Mustang GT Coupe. It's gunmetal silver with rail riders, blacked out rims, and silver trim rings, along with red center caps to highlight some details. Number 15, 1967 GT Coupe, two-tone metallic blue-violet on the top with gunmetal gray on the sides, sitting on some rail riders that are painted to match the gray, and it's detailed trim and undercarriage. '17, 2008 Mustang GT gloss black, sitting on Goodyear Eagles with blacked out rims. The lights, trim, and undercarriage are all detailed. All right, guys, it is time to vote. All right, this will go to 12/3 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then all comments will be closed. Please vote down below only the cars that you want, maybe separated by a comma. That would work for me. Any other comments other than votes will be deleted just to make it simple for myself. I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure you watch the other videos in this series and in this playlist. Thank you.